Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza and welcome to a coder's journey to this C# training tutorial. In this episode, I'm gonna talk a little bit about operators. Operators are, very helpful when it comes to doing some, calculations on our variables and their values. We've got different, operators when it comes to working with, variables. For example, suppose I have I don't know, a number of type integer and then another number of type integer, and then I have my result, for example, and I want my result to be this number plus this number. All I need to do is to just use the plus operator. That's it. And then I can write down the output in my console, and in the output I get 40, right? So the plus or addition operator is used when you want to, add two numbers together. And this is, as they say, an overloaded operator. It means, it behaves differently with different variables. For example, if I use the same, operator with two variables of type string, so I'm going to say string, my string, and string, my string number 2, no problem. And then I can say a string, my result string, right? I can again, add these two strings together. Of course, they're not going to be added up together. It doesn't make sense. They are going to get concatenated. They are going to get, joined together. Right? So if in the output I print out, my result, I get my full name. So this plus operator is kind of overloaded. When it is used with different, data types, it behaves differently. Here in my text file, I have prepared a simple note about the different operators. We've got addition, as we just saw. We've got subtraction, which is going to, subtract the value from another one. We've got multiplication, which is going to multiply a number with another one. We've got division. We've got modulus, which will return, the remainder of our division. For example, if here I have 13 and then I use the modulus operator, in the output I will get number 1 here. Because, when you divide 13 by 2, your remainder will be 1. So this returns the remainder. And we've got increment and decrement. Increment and decrement will, increment the value of a variable by 1, and decrement will subtract the value by 1. So if, for example, I say, okay, my number is 13. Now I want to increment it. In the output, I will get 14, right? Because 13 plus 1 will be 14. So increment means, add 1 to this value. And decrement means subtract 1 from this value. One important thing about these two last, operators is that they are, as they are called, unary operators. Means when you want to use them, you just need one single value, one single, variable. But these are not unary, because for using, for example, addition, you need more than one value, But for using increment and decrement, you can apply them to one single variable and it is totally fine. Thank you so much for watching this video in which we talked about the different operators in C#. I hope you've enjoyed it. If that's the case, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. You can subscribe to the channel. You can activate the notification so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. And see you later. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.